Today we're going to be replacing a display board on a free joint multi. We had one of the display LEDs go out, so pretty simple change out. Just a couple of things that you need to remember, and I'll go through those as we get further into it. Just be sure the unit's powered off now. It's been powered off for about 15 minutes. Make sure you do that to make sure all the boards have been discharged. So getting started, you have a couple plugs here. We're going to go ahead and unplug those. There's little tabs on the side that you kind of squeeze to get it to unlock. So there's the tabs there. Just kind of pull them out of the way for now. So we got a exposed board, we got a screw here, and there's a tab here that we're going to pull once to get the board to snap out of place. Set it to the side. Little tab, just pull up. There's the old board. Just make sure you look at where your settings are. So when we put the new board in, we can set it as the old board and it should come right up. Here's the new display. You're going to put the bottom in first and just kind of push and get it to snap into place there. And we'll put our screw back. All right, now we need to put the plugs back into place. Just remember they're mostly color coded. All right, make sure everything's kind of secure. Now that we got that back into place, you can see that these are set to factory default settings. Okay, so the old board setup was set for manually address. That's why we have dip switch number 1 down. And this happens to be a 3-port unit. So we have a rotary dial set to 3. And as you can see on the new board, I've set it up just like it was. So now we're ready to turn on the power. Let me just put the disconnect in. There we go. You're going to count 0 through 15 a few times. It's just the system initiating. It's looking for all the indoor unit heads. Okay, so now as you can see, it's kind of moving fast, but it's saying CC000102. That means we're hooked to port A, B, and C. So it is addressed, ready to go. For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.